Emma, a busy professional, discovered that adding plants to her workspace transformed her cluttered desk into a serene oasis. She began using greenery not just for aesthetics, but as a calming tool to reduce stress and focus her mind. When surrounded by plants, Emma felt inspired to tackle her organizational tasks with renewed energy, decluttering with purpose. This symbiosis of nature and organization took her productivity to new heights, blending beauty and functionality. By integrating the natural environment in her decluttering journey, Emma achieved peace and clarity like never before.